Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope that everyone is doing good. And today I'm going to teach you this beautiful and gorgeous viral latte makeup that looks so good on brown skin, especially Indian brown skin. But worry not, this makeup would suit even the fair skin tones. And I have made sure to use only drugstore related makeup products, so keep on watching till the end. But like always, before we start, kindly hit the like and subscribe button to my channel to support me. So without further ado, let's get started. So before starting this look, it's important to prep your skin, and for that I'm using one of my favorite moisturizing cream, the Bulgarian Rose Satin Cream from Heimish, and you can check out the review on my channel. Now I'm using the skin primer Matte It from the Body Shop, and it makes the skin really smooth and oil free literally. So I'm using it all over my face. Now I'm using one of my favorite again, and which I use all the time, the Ingrid Mineral Silk and Lift as an eye base. It's actually a foundation, but I use it as an eye primer or eye base, and I use it all over my eyelid and on my under eye. And I love it because it pops out the eye shade really well. And now I'm using a concealer from Body Shop, the Tea Tree Concealer, and using it on my face wherever I'm having acne or pimple marks or any discoloration. It's one of the great concealer. And now I am patting the product on my skin so that it covers the blemishes really well, and I'm not dragging the product harshly. I'm just gently patting it, and then I'm using the Smokey eyeshadow from Ingrid Cosmetics, one of my favorite again, in the number 111, and now I'm using one of the shadow through my fingers all over my lid, and now using a darker brown to create a crease. I think it's the medium brown from the palette, because we are going to create a latte look, so make sure to use it really well, but use a little bit of a product, not much. And blending is the key, so blend it really well. And it's a flat brush, and I think it's easier for me to create it with a flat brush than a fluffy brush, because I can, have more control through that. Now I'm using the darkest shade from the palette, number 4, to use it as a kohl or eyeliner, because I'm not going to use any eyeliner. I want to create a soft latte look, not too harsh. And now I'm using this as an eyeliner. It's basically a gel eyeliner brush from Maybelline, and it's really good to use if you are using any eye shade as a eyeliner. Now this is the orange color which I'm using on the lid, in the center of my lid. It's from Revlon, color Stay, I guess. And now I'm using the same brush and merging these two shades together. I was hoping that it would pop out, but it wasn't popping out a lot. Now I'm filling my eyebrows with eyebrow pencil. Although I think I don't need it, but when you're using any foundation or concealer, then it does not match really well with the overall look. So I fill it up gently. Now I'm using my favorite foundation, the HD foundation number 84 from Latte Cosmetics. And it's one shade darker than my skin tone, and I love it when I actually do any tanned look, because it come together as a really I beautiful foundation. Now I'm using the LA Girl concealer under my eyes and trying to create a really sharp angular eye with this, and I'm using on my forehead and on my chin as well. And I made one mistake while trying to blend the product in. Instead of a sharp swift drag, I pat the product in my skin, the outer concealer. So make sure you take care of that, and actually the diamond shaped concealer helps. You just have to place it strategically on the outer corner of your eye, and then sharp swift drag like that. So it actually creates a very wing-like eyeliner at the corner. Now I'm using the Laura Mercier setting powder and trying to seal my makeup. It's one of the greatest setting powder that I've used, and it actually blurs your skin really well. For the bronzer, which is the main part of this latte look, I am using Kiko Milano Smart Essential Face Palette, and I am using a very little amount of bronzer. Unfortunately, it was not showing really well on my skin. I don't know why, but that day it wasn't. Now I'm using the same highlighter from the palette, and it was not intense as I wanted it to be, so I used my fingers to actually create the very nice golden look on the usual places: Cupid's bow, on the bridge of my nose, on my eyes as well, to make it look more intense. Now I'm blending it together with the same brush, and I'm using the same brush so it helps melt and combine all the shades that I've used. And now I'm using this stunning Sienna from Max Factor, very beautiful blush, a copperish bronzy blush that works as a great bronzer. It was going really well with the overall look. I wish I should have used it earlier. And I'm using it on my chin as well for a very sculpted face. Now I'm using this lip pencil Urban Cafe from NYX Cosmetics. Very, very great investment in makeup. One of my favorite. And it helps make the lipstick, look so beautiful. And for the lipstick, I'm using the gorgeous Morning Breeze from MAC. I got it from Just Chillin' lipstick set. Very beautiful lipstick. I am actually looking for the fuller version of it as well. And I thought that my eyes look empty, so I used the Teddy Kajal pencil from Essence. Very good pencil and very affordable. and it helps make the latte look so much better. Now I'm using my mascara, Colossal Mascara from Maybelline, and the look is complete. So this brings us to the end of our video, and if you want to dive deeper, then go to my website aishawvlogs.com to discover all the pictures of the products that I have used and have a closer look at it. And didn't I tell you that this makeup is so easy to learn? And if you have enjoyed this video, kindly hit the like and subscribe button to my channel. And until next time, take care of yourself. Love you guys, and ciao.